Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can convert any text into a 3D icon using motion. So let's jump in. Before you begin, you must have some font like Dingbat. So I'm on fontscrill.com. And here you have lots of ornaments and shapes which you can use to extrude and make it 3D in motion. So I'll be using this web symbols. I've already downloaded. Let's jump to motion. And take your text tool and type anything here, as you'll be replacing this. So now go to once you've downloaded the font, go to font book, and here you can find your fonts. So it's a web symbol if you want, like the Sugier symbol I'm taking. So Control C and come back here and paste it. Command V. That's it. Now let's make it slightly bigger. So go to Inspector, and here we have option for size. So just increase it. I want slightly more bigger. So let's have this. Now let's extrude this to make it look like 3D. So I'll go to text and appearance and choose 3D text. It has already made a 3D, like extrusion is there, but very less amount, like 10 depth is there, so we can increase it. And we can apply some material from here. So we have lots of presets here. So I'll go to metal, and we have here metallic. I'll use this brush metal. There we have the 3D thing, 3D gear. And now let's add a camera. Go to add object and click on camera. Accept switch to 3D. And here we have the rotation and move tool and dollies. So I'll just rotate it to show you how much. So now you can see this is 3D, it appears 3D. So now you can see it has extruded and material has been applied. So our 3D icon is here. Now you can animate it. So let's go to properties again, and here we have rotation. I'll click on Z rotation to animate this. So I'll click on one here keyframe, and let's add one more keyframe here at 5, and here I'll rotate to 360. Easy. So let's go back to home and just do this much. Let's play. So you can see our 3D animator icon is ready in just few minutes. So you can use any font which has any shape, and that shape you want to be like extrude and make it 3D. So this is a quick tip. I hope you find it useful. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.